Building with Papa. Okay, this is my grandson's window, and he likes to play soccer. Well, this is what happened when he tried to kick the ball between the window and the bush. He missed. All right, they gave me a call. My daughter sent me these pictures. So I went out, and the first thing you have to do is to remove these little metal pieces that hold the glass in place. All right, it's a little video trickery here. I didn't take a video while I was removing it, so I just did this to show you how you remove them. These square ones are very simple. You clean out all the glass, get in there with a scraper, clean it all out very well, wipe it down, and then take a window silicone clear, and you put it in here as evenly as you can, right on the metal trim. And before I did all this, I took the measurements and I went to a box store and I had them cut the glass. When you have them cut the glass, take a measurement tight and then deduct a 1/4 inch. It'll leave an 1/8 inch on each side. If you want it tighter than that, it's up to you. It's not necessary. But make sure you get the silicone all the way around. Now you get the glass and you drop it in place. Okay, get the bottom in nice, and then you're able to just push it in so that it's tightly up against the silicone. You'll see the silicone squish into place. You can move the window at this point, a little up, a little this way, whatever you have to do. But just make sure you press it in so that it's nice and firm against all the caulk and you have no openings. Now you take the metal trim again and you pop it in place. It's real simple. It goes in, work from one end to the other, and you start to press it in and it'll snap right into place. This is a more simple trim. The older ones have a flat metal. It is much more difficult to put back in. This one was also missing the top piece of trim, but don't worry, your silicone will hold it. This is not an impact window. You can probably find them at a window supply place. Not everyone's going to have it, but you can give it a try. They're going to replace these windows, so right now I'm just trying to get it sealed up so that there's no air conditioning escaping. It's looking good. Well, once you finish this one, you do the same thing on the bottom. It's important to have everything clean. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. I'll see you on the next one.